Hello once again. This is third part of life process chapter. In this video, we will learn about transportation and circulatory system in human beings. Also, we will learn about the excretory system in human beings, structure and functions of nephron, and the steps of formation of urine. Lastly, we will know some important definitions. So, let's start with our topics. So, our first topic is transportation in human beings. Human beings, like other multicellular organisms, need regular supply of food, oxygen, etc. This function is performed by circulatory system. The circulatory system in human beings consists of heart, pumping organ, blood vessels and circulatory medium. Heart. It is also known as pumping organ. The heart is a muscular organ which is as big as our fist. Human heart has 4 chambers, that is 2 ventricles and 2 atrium. Blood vessels. There are 2 types of blood vessels. These are arteries and veins. Arteries are the vessels which carry blood away from the heart to various organs of the body. Since the blood emerges from the heart under high pressure, the arteries have thick, elastic walls. Veins collect the blood from different organs and bring it back to the heart. They do not need thick walls because the blood is no longer under pressure. Instead, they have valves that ensure that the blood flows only in one direction. Circulatory medium. It contains blood and lymph. Blood consists of a fluid medium or liquid components called plasma, in which the cells are suspended. Blood consists of solid medium or solid components called blood corpuscles. It consists of red blood cells. It carries O2 and CO2 and also contain hemoglobin, which impart red color to the blood. White blood cells. It provides body defense by engulfing the germs and produces antibodies. Blood platelets. It helps in blood clotting during injury. Lymph. Lymph flows from the tissues to the heart, which helps in transportation and destroying germs. It carries digested and absorbed fat from intestine and drain excess fluid from extracellular space back into the blood. Circulatory system in human beings. The lungs supply oxygen-rich blood to the left atrium of the heart. The left atrium relaxes when it is collecting the blood and contracts when blood is transferred to the left ventricle. The left ventricle expands when it receives blood. The blood is pumped out of the body when the muscles of left ventricles contracts. Deoxygenated blood comes from the body to the upper chamber on the right, that is, the right atrium, when it expands. The corresponding lower chamber, that is, the right ventricle, expands when right atrium contracts. It transfers the blood to the right ventricle, which in turn pumps it to the lungs for oxygenation. Right ventricles have thicker muscular walls so that they pump blood into various organs. Now, at the end, valves ensure that blood does not flow backward when the atria or ventricles contract. Blood circulation in human body. Double circulation. Blood travels twice through the heart in one complete cycle of the body. Next, we will study about excretion system in human beings. Excretory urinary system of human beings consists of a pair of kidneys, the excretory organ, a pair of ureter, the duct which drain out urine from the kidneys, a urinary bladder, the urinary reservoir, and a urethra, the channel to the exterior. Each kidney contains many filtration units called as nephrons. The structure of nephron contains various parts, which is as shown in figure below. Glomerulus. Nephrons are made up of a cluster of thin-walled capillaries. Bowman's capsule. Glomerulus is associated with a cup-like structure. Renal artery. It brings oxygenated bloods to the kidney along with the nitrogenous waste like urea and uric acid and many other substances. Tubular part of nephron. Filtrate moves down the tubular part. Glucose, amino acids, salt and excess of water gets selectively reabsorbed by the blood vessels surrounding these tubules. Collecting duct. Fluid get collected in it. Functions of nephron. Nephron helps in excretion of nitrogenous waste and maintain the water and ionic balance, osmic regulation. Now we will talk about formation of urine in human beings. Urine formation involves three major processes. They are: first step is glomerular filtration. Nitrogenous waste, glucose, water, amino acid filter from the blood into Bowman capsule of the nephron. Second step is tubular reabsorption. Now, useful substances from the filtrate are reabsorbed back by capillaries surrounding the nephron. And the last step is secretion. Urea, extra water and salts are secreted into the tubule, which open up into the collecting duct and then into the ureter. Each ureter drains the urine in the urinary bladder, where it is stored until the pressure of expanded bladder leads to an urge to pass it out through urethra. Bladder is a muscular structure which is under nervous control. Now, at last, we are going to study about some important terms we should remember. They are phagocytosis, the process of obtaining food by amoeba. Enzymes. Enzymes are juice-like substances secreted by organs in living organisms which act as biocatalyst in biochemical reaction inside the body. Ingestion, the process of taking food into the body. Digestion, the process in which the food containing large insoluble molecules is broken down into small water-soluble molecules which can be absorbed by body to get required nutrients. Absorption, the process of distribution of digested food to body parts. Villi, the inner surface of the small intestine, has numerous finger-like projections. Assimilation, the process in which the absorbed food is taken in by the body cells and used for energy, growth, and repair. Egestion, the process in which the undigested food is removed from the body. Bronchioles, each bronchus divides in the lungs to form a large number of smaller tubes. Alveoli, the pouch-like air sacs at the end of the smallest bronchioles, are called alveoli. Tooth decay or dental caries. It is a demineralization of the tooth surface caused by bacteria. Peristaltic movement. It is the contraction and relaxation of the muscles in the food pipe which brings the food down the pipe and into the stomach. Sphincters. These are circular muscular structures which control the movement of substance through them. Cellular respiration, the process of respiration which releases energy, takes place inside the cells of the body. Aerobic respiration, the respiration which uses oxygen. Anaerobic respiration, the respiration which takes place without oxygen. Hemodialysis, the process of purifying blood by an artificial kidney. It is meant for kidney failure patient. That's all for the life process. Thank you.